Morgan. We're off to Germany today. Do you think that we've made a mistake just trying to do it in this one little backpack? Am I going to be able to manage? Because I'm trying to fit all them little bits in now and I'm really not sure. Anyway, travel with me today to Berlin.
Morning. Oh my God, I look so tired.
No, it's just the lighting. Look, so it's like 1 o'clock in the morning or something. This one's going to a different country and I'm going to another country. Weirdly,
Country?
yeah, it's country. Weirdly that we booked the same flight, so yeah. So say bye.
Bye.
That felt very bizarre to say goodbye to Jazz and off she's going. Really weird, just complete coincidence that we booked the same time flights. So anyway, I am going to get into Gatwick North now and go straight through security with my little backpack. I was being such a typical mum waiting for the bus to go past so I could get one more little wave.
Watching you smile, watching you smile.
Not looking. So the Apple AirTags have just flagged up and told me that Jasmine's luggage is no longer near me. That felt really sad. But I just want to tell you quickly about Germany. So when I was at school, I learnt German for the first 2 years and I thought I was really good at it. And they said to me, no, you're not good enough, you can only do French. And I was a bit upset about that. So let me just see how much I can remember of my German that I learned. Going off to a brand new country like Germany is quite exciting actually. As I had hand luggage only, it was straight through security. Just before I went to flag up to you, there is a little bit of work going on at the moment in the Gatwick North, just where they're building a new restaurant. So I went through with my liquids and then it's time for duty free. Christmas decks are up already. I always seem to come here when it's like Christmassy time. Let's see if we can find our little free squirt of perfume. Ah, it's exciting. It's not funny. Where is it? Where is it? Do we go for Brittany, Jack?
Perfume was a bit of a fail, but look, we've got great shining flooring and really pretty lights. It's time for Starbucks. Let's go get that Starbucks. What we're going to do, we're going to order it on the app so we don't have to queue up. I'm loving that for me.
Right, this is Gatwick North. If you remember last time we was here was the Asia trip. No, that wasn't here. I don't know what I'm talking about. But they was doing a load of work, so let's have a look what they've done. So we've got a new Lego store. That's exciting. Oh, it looks like still some work to be done. We're going to go into the smallest boots in the world, just see if there's anything up there that we need. It's always stressful up there. So on this meal deal, the only gluten-free they've got is cheese and tomato, which is a bit ropey, so we might have to skip that. It's so small. I've got my meal deal with my sushi, so that's cool. Even though it's a random time of year, middle of October, and it is also 4 o'clock in the morning, it's still super busy at Gatwick North this morning. And I went past the queues in Starbucks. I used my app as always to order my coffee, so I took a seat and they just call your name out. It's the biggest hack. I mention it every time. Make sure you do it. I journaled in Starbucks for a little while before I was getting on the plane. It was really straightforward and easy. It was the most beautiful foggy morning. So we were sat on the tarmac for a little while. In case you're wondering about the daylight here, sat on the tarmac for a while and then took off in the fog, and it was so beautiful looking back down over the fields.
Since we've been together, oh God, I miss you bad. And I read your letters and look at your pictures.
The journey into Berlin was about an hour and a half, very straightforward, and as we were coming into land we got to see all these typical German little houses. And what about this for a shadow? Then it was time to meet the first of the Berlin Bears, which is a bit of a symbol for Germany, for Berlin. And then driving to the hotel to just drop off the bags was very interesting to see the city.
Till then I'm dreaming of your heart, your eyes, our love.
So I have arrived. I'm trying to navigate where I might find some food that I can have and all of this. I have no clue whatsoever how I'm getting around, and just got the tube and I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. But we'll try. I'm very hungry right now, so if I eat something I might feel a little bit better. But it's typical city vibes right now. So we found something quite pretty, and the trees are looking really nice, and it's great weather for walking in. So yeah, the trees have just started to change colour, look. And I don't know what this fountain is. Let's have a look. It looks like it might be Merlin.
It's been so.
I found a very delicious lunch which was really healthy, and I really enjoyed sitting there for a minute. I was feeling really overwhelmed with being in the city. I didn't know where I was going or what I was supposed to do. I was just told to head to Alexanderplatz, and that was all I knew. Didn't even understand what they were saying. So I sat here for a while, really enjoyed this lunch, had a coffee, and then I thought, no, I'm just going to go where my feet take me and try and see if I can see some wonderful sights of this city.
Your eyes, our love.
I was not disappointed when I saw the architecture, even though there was still some overwhelm. There was this beautiful cathedral in the city which was gorgeous.
It's been so long. I know.
The trees were just so stunning. There was something called Museum Island, which I didn't go into the museums because I was on slightly limited time. But again, the architecture was absolutely beautiful. I wasn't too sure what was with the helicopters going through the sky, but there was a lot of military presence in Berlin. So it's time to check in to a very hot room. It feels really hot, but it looks really lovely, and I'm really pleased that I have managed to get not a single bed, but a nice big double bed for me, and loads of like storage. Not that I've got much to get out of my backpack. And I don't know about the view. Should we have a little look? It's a really sunny day. Spires out of the window. So yeah, so this is the room, very basic. We've got a telly, got a plug socket right there as well, which is handy for charging the phone. I can't tell you anything really about the city, but nice mirror so we can see what our outfit looks like when we are changed. Got a very nice, yay, towels, yay. If you saw my pack with me video, it's taking a leap of faith with that. Shower gel, so that's cool. A nice shower, nice and big, look at that. Somewhere to hang your towels, which is always good. A hairdryer, which is also good. And if you know me by now, this is where I'll be putting my makeup. And soap, big sink. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. Okay, so here we are now in the hotel. I'm going to have a little sort out. I think this is probably quite a short travel with me. The jury is out at the moment as to what I think about Berlin, but I'm not so much of a city person as I am a nature person. And goodness me, look at that. I was up at 2 a.m. getting ready. It's now 3 p.m. and it's time for me to hit the hay. I need to rest my body. My legs are a little bit yeah, and I feel like I'm being a bit moany, so I'm very grateful to be here. This room is lovely. So yeah, it's all good really, but I'm just oh, and I bought a bottle of water and some Lays and a Snicker bar. But in this room I've got no fridge and I've got no tea and coffee making facility, so that's something I'm just going to have to live with. I mean, it's not the end of the world. I've seen a lot of homeless people today, and it does make you feel very grateful for the things that you've got. That said, it doesn't stop you. Oh, I've taken off my Boys Get Sad Too top. It doesn't stop you having your own worries and concerns about life and stuff. And you know, if you're anxious about something, you're anxious about it. You know, just sort of embrace it and be with it. I'm there right now, but it's not going to last forever. I did have a really good journey over, actually. It was really nice, and I'm very grateful for the friends that I saw along the way. So yeah, I don't know if there's going to be much more to show you really than what I've already shown you, but it's time for me to unpack that little tiny bag over there, look at that, and just start having an amazing weekend really. So yeah, but I need some rest. So thanks for watching this one. Go and watch another travel with me, because I know you love them, and I've got so many, and some of the best ones are the ones where we turn up at a hotel and you're given a drink in your hand and all the rest of it. But
that's it from me for this one. Germany, brand new country for me. I will see you in the next video, and also the next travel with me is going to be to Sharm el-Sheikh in Egypt, and I'm very excited for that. So make sure you have put all your notifications and things on so you don't miss that one. Mwah. See ya.